Police, come to the door now. Come to the door.
I couldn't hear because she's screaming.
She wasn't.
Oh, she wasn't.
From the moment we got here, no one in here was screaming.
Oh, what do we have here? Today we have cops break down door to stop husband from killing his own wife. Thank you guys for tuning in, and without further ado, let's get it.
What began as a domestic disturbance call in Marengo quickly turned into a disturbing scene inside a home where officers say a woman and her young child were crying out for help.
Oh, God. That can't be good. Why does this hallway look like the hallway that you go in when you go to use the restroom when you come in like from like a club or something? Or like that shit look oddly familiar, bro. That does not look like a apartment hallway.
Police department. Marengo police.
I would have thought this was Halloween, but this is 2/7/25. This is in February last year. Oh shit. I know they hear them knocks. That shit hard as hell.
Don't shush them, just come to the door.
Like the cops can't hear that.
Police department, come to the door. Don't make us go get the apartment manager. Open the door.
Uh-oh.
Police say officers responded on February 7th after neighbors reported hearing a violent disturbance. As officers approached the home, investigators say they could hear a woman and a small child crying for help from inside.
No fucking way.
Yep. Go. You got it. Here, put yours away. I got cover. You're good. Police department, open the door.
Is he gonna break this down? Because if he gonna break this down, I don't never want him coming to my house. Oh shit. Oh damn.
Police, come to the door now. Come to the door. Step out here.
Oh
now.
God.
Step out here now. Hands behind your back. Wait right there. Wait right there.
Thank God for the neighbors calling the police. They might have just saved this woman and his child's life. And whatever they think he did it. Because why would you have this woman and her child crying like this? If this is your girlfriend and your baby, what the fuck is going on with you, bro?
You're not under arrest. You're being detained.
You're under arrest.
All right. Sit right there with me. Have a seat right there.
Don't stand.
No, you're going to have a seat right here. Stay right there. Don't move.
According to investigators, the victim told officers she had been strangled and lost consciousness multiple times during the assault.
Oh yeah, take his ass to jail.
Police say she was found with visible markings on her neck, consistent with strangulation.
Tuck your legs up. You tuck your legs up underneath yourself? What are you doing, man? Tuck your legs underneath yourself. No, you got to tuck your legs underneath yourself. This way. Underneath. No, you don't. You have them in front of you. Tuck your legs underneath. Fold this way. There we go. Now sit up on your knees. There we go. Perfect.
Bro.
Fucking child, what it do?
Verify which one first. Assume this is
Neither one of her.
Alright. So you can hang right here. Alright, just because you're in cuffs, I'm going to read this to you, man.
Yeah, I understand. I know what it is. You don't even have to explain.
Before asking any
He's been here before, obviously.
questions, you must understand you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You're the wrong person. Alright. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask any questions, and to have a lawyer with you during questions. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed for you before any questioning if you wish. You understand all that?
Okay, yes.
You do?
Yes.
Perfect.
I'm done talking.
Okay, you don't have to talk to me.
I don't want to talk anymore.
I do need your name and your info.
Even in handcuffs, Dylan's attitude raises more questions than answers. Investigators are now starting to piece together what may have happened before officers arrived. As officers read Dylan his rights, the situation takes another turn.
How? How does it take another turn now? How many more turns can it take after that? You beating your girl and strangulating her.
You on our list?
Huh?
Are you on our list?
List for what?
Violent offender?
Yes.
VOR? Okay.
Ooh, that just changed. It took it up a notch.
Registered in good standing?
Huh?
You registered in good standing? You're compliant?
Yeah, I'm compliant. I'm fully compliant. I haven't been in any trouble for the whole fucking
Turn around for me.
15 months I've been on parole.
You idiot. You did this while you on promote. 3, 2, 1. You idiot. You did this while you on parole, or you want to go back to jail?
I haven't been in any trouble.
Your turn.
None at all.
It's her fault, huh? That's what they normally say.
Just double locking this so they don't tighten up on you.
Imbecile.
Can I call my parents?
No, not yet. We're not.
No, you can't call your parents, you piece of No, you don't get that right when you get to the jail.
Not going anywhere just yet.
You beating on somebody and you want to call your parents.
I already know what's going on.
Yeah, man, in the future, best thing you can do when the cops are banging on the door is come to the fucking door.
How am I supposed to?
You were on this side of her when we booted the door. I'd say you could do it pretty easy.
I was coming to the door once I heard and actually realized what was going on.
Okay, sure.
Okay, sure, whatever.
We were banging on the door and yelling pretty loud. You should have been able to hear when it was dead silent and everyone was being shushed inside.
I couldn't hear because she's screaming.
She wasn't.
Oh, she wasn't.
From the moment we got here, no one in here was screaming.
So why are you kicking on the door then?
Until we were booting the door.
Oh,
We were here 2 or 3 minutes banging on the door.
You don't
I wouldn't even have no more conversations with him. He's a know-it-all.
even know what you're talking about.
Listen, man, you were in there. You know what the noise was like. You're lying. And that's
You're lying because you said there's no noise.
until we were going to boot
Your
the
body
door.
cam is on.
Yes.
Correct? Right. So you just predicted everything else that you. Oh, so now it's on.
14 minutes. It's been running.
Right.
I just had it on covert
So
mode.
you just contradicted yourself.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Okay.
Yes, you did.
That's fine.
You
What's up,
fully
man?
just contradicted.
I believe you guys are going in there to be. That's fine. All I'm saying is, in the future, the best thing you can do for yourself is come and answer the door instead of making us
I was
boot it.
coming to the
You
door.
were not. Not until we booted the door. You weren't.
He was too busy whooping her. That's what he was doing.
It took us quite a minute to boot the door, so you could have come while you knew we were kicking the door in, right? You had plenty of time to do it.
Now he wanted to finish his job.
Oh my God! Whatever you say, bro.
Whatever I say.
Whatever you say.
I can tell.
Yeah, I can
Because
tell
I seem to be
too.
the only one telling the truth
I
here.
can tell because I already know what way this is going. You only go towards the woman's way.
Well, where he supposed to go to, dude? You over there strangulating her.
So I don't have marks on my face.
I do not see any marks.
You don't see marks on my face. You don't see any marks on my
Your
face.
entire face is red. Forehead.
My entire
everywhere.
face is red.
It's just because you're hot, because your entire body is very warm.
My entire body is not
I like this officer.
red. If your body can
Your skin is the same color as the rest of your body.
Oh,
Yes.
my whole skin is the same color.
On your face is the same color as the rest
He
of your
gotta
body.
be drunk.
Is what I'm seeing,
Okay,
man.
whatever you say, bro.
I don't see any marks.
Whatever you say.
So is she going to say she's got any marks on her?
I don't know. You're gonna find out when you ask her.
Well,
I mean, you're gonna do your investigation.
the appropriate answer for someone who didn't put his hands on
I
his wife
didn't
is
put my
no,
hands
there
on
won't be any
anybody.
marks on her.
You're gonna do your investigation,
Right.
and
what's
you're
she
gonna
say?
find me as the one in the wrong as always.
That's
so
not what I'm saying. I just told you we've arrested.
I
lots of
bet
females
you,
for domestic
I
violence.
bet you 100 to 1, I'm the one that's gonna leave in a cop car.
That doesn't mean it's wrong.
Yes, it does mean it's wrong. That's because you think I'm the one in the wrong. I wouldn't be in your
It
cop
seems that way
car.
right now.
Okay.
Because you're
whatever.
lying to me.
I'm not talking to you anymore.
That's fine.
Stop asking me questions. I want an attorney.
There it is. Okay.
There it is.
Booyah!
Stay out of your pocket.
The I'm guilty plea.
But you're not allowed on your phone right now.
What law says I'm not allowed on my phone?
I'm allowed to control your bodily movement while you're detained. 100%.
Okay.
What's the name of the property manager here? Not in a moment.
Don't ask me any questions.
This isn't an incriminating question. I'm looking for the property
care.
manager so we can secure your door.
She's in there.
Right, I understand that, but it sounds like she's probably going to the hospital from the
Secure
sound
the
of it.
door from her.
She's gonna end up getting transformed.
We 83?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna go throw them in my car then. All right, let's go.
Let's go. Let's ride.
Back up, back up, back up, back up. There we go.
I would have been like, you need me to give you a hand?
McHenry Meringue.
10 out of
We're
1.
83 with a J3.
10 out of 1. Told you. Told you. I predicted your story.
Like I said, man, just because you got arrested doesn't mean it's the wrong arrest.
Predicted your story, buddy.
Okay.
Fucking loser.
In the future, don't lie to us.
I ain't lying to shit. I ain't need to lie to you. You ain't nobody.
Here, don't move.
He is somebody if he got control over your freedom right now.
I ain't need to lie to you. You ain't shit.
Have a seat.
Something tells me he's done this before. And not the police officer.
Even in the back seat of the police car, he didn't settle down. He kept running his mouth, acting like he was the victim in all the chaos. But officers had
That's what narcissistic people normally do.
already heard the screams, and they knew exactly who the real victim was.
This is fucking bullshit. What, do I get a call when I get to the station?
Yep.
What, is it just one?
I think you get a couple.
Hurry up and get me the fuck away from this fucking crazy bitch.
You got any gang affiliates in there?
I'm not a gang member anymore, no.
Not anymore?
No.
Okay. When'd you get out?
Long time ago.
Long time ago.
I just did 10 years in prison, so.
Gotcha.
God damn it. This fucking bitch. She did me so bogus. All you want to do is profile somebody. That's all the fuck you police are good for. Profile somebody, but yeah, you do fucking worse than I do. The fuck? Bunch of fucking cocksuckers, that's what the fuck you are. Oh, the fuck you're good for. Oh yeah, she's gonna need to go to the ambulance. For what? For fucking hitting me?
Bro, like, you're not the victim, bro. You're not beating this. Nobody feels sorry for you. At all.
Me? The fuck?
Nobody feels sorry for you, bro. Sorry. What is he doing? I know he not crying. Cry me a river. You gonna sit here and put this lady life in danger and you wanna cry? Boy,
Family,
you
so
got some
bogus.
fucking nerve.
You did me so bogus. You did me so bogus.
He really crying.
Why? Why me all the fucking time?
Why not you?
Why? I've been so good to you. That is so crazy.
How you was good to her? You was giving her knuckle sandwiches?
I've been nothing but good. I've been nothing but good to you. Oh my God, I've been nothing but so good to you.
Officials also confirmed that Dylan had previously been convicted in 2014 for aggravated battery to a child after beating a 7-month-old infant and leaving the child in critical condition.
Oh, nah, he need his ass whooped for real.
Authorities say Dylan was charged with multiple offenses, including aggravated domestic battery, and interfering with the reporting of domestic violence. A judge sentenced him to 5 years and 6 months in the Illinois Department of
5 years, that's it? He just did 10. They should have gave him 15.
Corrections. Share your thoughts below and stay tuned for more real-world case breakdowns.
That's crazy. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. How'd you guys feel about that one? 5 years I don't think that was enough. I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't think that was enough. But that's it, baby. We out.